Friends, Miss Natalie here. Today I want to show you how to create the color and shape sampler for Krita. We're going to start by opening a new file, creating a new file, I should say. Make sure it's 1600 pixels by 1600 pixels. And click Create, and that'll give us our blank canvas. All right, and now we're going to choose one of the preset shapes, either the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool. I think I'm going to choose the rectangle tool because I like a rectangle. Choose a color I like. And make sure that when I go over to Tool Options and make sure my fill option is not filled. It can be filled in with the foreground color, the background color, but I want to make sure that it is an open shape, not filled. So I'm going to click and drag my rectangle, and there it is. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is go to the Polygon tool, and I'm going to make sure that that also is not filled. Got to make sure that it's not filled, and I'm going to choose a different color. And I'm going to click to start my polygon, and then wherever I click, that's where a line ends. So I can click and drag and make my polygon, and when I'm done, I can put my spot over my original spot, double click, and it finishes up my polygon. All right, now I'm ready to fill in these with color. So I'm going to choose my green color, and I'm going to fill it in into my rectangle. And then I'm going to choose that purple that I used in my rectangle, and I'm going to fill in my polygon. Using that fill tool that looks like a paintbrush bucket. And that's it. Now I am ready to save as. I'm going to save this as color and shape, or shape and color. Sampler, and with my name Lintner, and I'm going to make sure I'm saving it as a JPEG file, and then make sure that I'm also saving as a Krita file so that I can change it later, and that's really it. So go ahead and open up Krita and work on your sampler and make some art.